In SketchUp it's really easy to draw straight-sided shapes. So straight-sided cylinders, straight-sided squares. But sometimes you want shapes which slope in or slope outwards. The way to do those is with the Move tool. So I want to have a go at producing a tower that's got a nice sloping roof. I'm going to start by doing a simple round one. So I'll go back to SketchUp. Here's the base of my tower, and what I want to do first is draw a circle. Well, it doesn't know at the moment that I want to put the circle in the middle, so I need to go to the edge. It says OK, you're working on the top surface, go back to the middle, and I want to draw a circle that's slightly bigger than the tower. I now want to select the edge, so you can see the edge is selected because it's gone blue. Click onto the Move tool, and I need to hold down, push and hold down the Alt key. So now I want to pull it up. I want to go up in a straight line, so I want to get that up. It's now wandering around, got to be quite careful with mouse, so it goes up, and I want to get the angle of that about right. And that looks about fine to me, a little bit lower. That looks even better. Okay. Now you'll notice that I've done this and it hasn't produced a solid flat top, it's produced like the edge of a cup, which is handy sometimes. That might be exactly what I want to do. In this case it isn't. So it's giving me the option by doing that. So I want to say, well, how do I make that? How do I put a flat top on top of it? And the way you do that is by adding a line. The adding or the removing of lines is sometimes called healing the surface, making the surface how you want. So if I draw a line from the edge to another edge, it makes that into a flat surface, and then I can actually delete that line. Okay, so now I've got on top of my tower, I've now got like a little platform that I can use. Now next I want to make another circle. I'm going to make a smaller one, so again I go to the edge so it knows I want to work on that surface, go to the middle, and I want quite a small circle, so that'll do. Again I'm going to select it, I'm going to click onto the Move tool, I'm going to hold down the Alt key, I'm going to start pulling that up, okay, until I get it about the sort of shape I want. I want that quite tall, and there we go. Whoops, I didn't want to do that. That's what I wanted to do. Now if I tilt that over to have a look, okay, because it's gone up, this time it's actually taken put a top onto it. And if I wanted to remove the top, I could say that I'm making it into a hollow shape. So now I've got a tower that's a bit more like one of the towers in here. Okay, and then we'll have a look how I can actually make one which it actually has got these little sides on it.